What if changing the world was as easy as pushing a button? Maybe you live in a big city and have a green bin program. You know, those little plastic bins with leaky bags under your sink that are amazing at producing smelly, gross liquid sludge that nobody wants to touch. Maybe you don't have a green bin system where you live, and instead, you throw all your food waste into the garbage. Lomi makes your life so much easier. Lomi can compost your food waste, that pesky packaging from your online shopping habit, and even biodegradable plastics. Yep, Lomi even works on Pela's compostable phone cases. All at the push of a button. And as little as a few hours later, your waste has turned into the start of nutrient-rich compost, totally mess-free and odor-neutralized. Lomi isn't just beautifully designed, it is the world's best home composter and helps you cut up to half of your carbon footprint. All while making odor-neutralized, mess-free compost that you can feed your plants, toss in your garden, send it to the green bin, or put it in the garbage.
Feels it? Feel the heat, finishing strong. Pressure.
Robotics combines Samsung's innovative hardware and cutting-edge AI software. First, Samsung Bot Care uses AI technology to take care of all the little details in your life.
You've been on your computer too long. How about stretching and taking a short break? The conference call is scheduled in a few minutes.
Bot Care knows your schedule and your habits and can remind you of the conference call you have with colleagues coming up in 15 minutes. Now remember the bot you saw. Bot Handy uses AI to understand objects, like a glass cup or ceramic plate, taking note of their shape and materials to work as your trusted partner. Bot Handy can move around and do things like set the table or put away groceries. It flips the script on what a robot in your home could look like. Good job!
Human being. Here's the product that surprised people all around the world. Mr.PUNG, super strong on clock. They're newly releasing Mr.PUNG all-in-one for both toilet and sink. Just watch.
하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘, 셋. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Mr.PUNG all-in-one. Answer for all plumbing problems.
We're the team at Wolfpack. In 2014, with the help of the world's first orbit, we've just taken backpack access to a whole new level. An idea about how to reinvent the backpack came to life and became an award-winning product across 3 continents. This revolutionary backpack became an Amazon bestseller, and those users have told us over and over they love our unique access system. So we drafted, we designed, we selected, we listened to professional photographers, we loaded our camera gear, we unloaded our camera gear, we lived and breathed access. We used rich textiles, created custom hardware, selected zippers to do the job. We sweated details and quality to build not just the ideal access bag for the photographer, but an incredible access backpack for everyone. This is the Wolfpack Capture, the ultimate backpack for cameras and access. Accessing your camera becomes an easy and quick action that presents your camera exactly where you need it, in the perfect position to grab, shoot and replace. We designed the Wolfpack capture to allow one-handed opening, to naturally fall open in what we call an aperture action, and to hang hands-free to allow you to do your best work. We designed an internal padded pod with multiple pockets, pouches and dividers to organise, carry and protect bodies, lenses, cards, batteries and accessories. And it fits perfectly into the top half of the bag, where it docks and locks securely in position. We created a customised carry system with an internal movable shelf. This offers 3 carry modes, which allow you to pack everyday gear in the bottom half, switch the pod from top to bottom and have your gear at the top, or by folding down the padded shelf, you can convert the 2 compartments into one large space. Our ultimate access layout means organised places for your laptop or tablet, for those everyday items, as well as places for whatever you need to carry. And it means you no longer have to fight to get into the bottom of your bag. And full weather resistance for the outdoors. Wolfpack's unique access system and the front for perfect access and better security. The Wolfpack capture is for everyone. For the traveller, for the photographer, for the commuter, for the parent, for the explorer. Wolfpack Capture, the ultimate backpack for cameras and access.
We try to bring a special feature to a product, whatever we do, single cam type devices, and also to feel with a climber.
What's new about this ascender is the first couple steps. I was able to not put weight at the base of the rope to start my ascent. Dual cam.
The rope, especially at the beginning of the climb, where the spring tension on the pawls plays an important factor.
Getting the rope set into the Ninja itself is very smooth. Getting it out is very smooth.
I like from what the competitors' devices looked like. And in that sense, because it was a fresh sheet of paper, weighed out the way I want.
The advanced 2-stage filtration. The first stage of filtration is the activated carbon, which filters 100 liters, and this filters 1,000 liters, which is 264 gallons, and removes virtually all bacteria and protozoa from water. Steel contains no chemicals such as iodine and uses no batteries or moving parts. To use the life straw steel, simply remove the caps and insert the filter into your water source. Wait 5 to 10 seconds as the water seeps into the filter, and then begin to draw water through the mouthpiece. You can either use a water bottle or drink straight from the source. The flow rate is quite high. It's like drinking through a thick straw. When you're finished drinking, simply blow the water out to backflush and clean the filter, and then put the...
Do we persevere with the flawed umbrella? Come in from the rain, close the umbrella, you've got a wet floor. This is just one of the many problems with the current umbrella design. The mechanism we've developed encloses the wet canopy on the inside, leaving the dry side to handle. And it does this without compromising on the umbrella's familiar look and usability. Finally, after years of research and development, we bring the Casbrella first to you on Kickstarter. Coming in from the rain, you simply close the Casbrella just as you would a normal umbrella. And then you're drip-free, home and dry. Have you ever tried entering a car with an umbrella? What a nuisance. You have to close the umbrella first, exposing yourself to the rain, get wet, then enter the car with a soaked umbrella. And then all your important papers are now ruined. It's also a challenge exiting the car if you want to open the umbrella and still stay dry. Well, not anymore. The Casbrella closes into the smallest of spaces, keeping you and your belongings dry all the way. And the Casbrella makes leaving the car and staying dry easy. Using an umbrella in a crowd is difficult and hazardous. As the Casbrella opens up and over the user, it avoids poking people in the eye, and closing is a breeze. Designed with additional support spokes, the Casbrella performs excellently in strong winds. In the unlikely event of it blowing inside out, it's no problem. A simple push of the button and the Casbrella's back in shape.